StoneX specialises in allowing institutional and retail traders to trade in anything from anywhere, be it a range of derivatives, equities, FX, futures, allowing anyone to trade anything essentially from one platform. Innovation excites me. I love seeing innovation in our staff, innovation in our technology, and really driving forward change in a responsible, sustainable manner. Solutions like virtualization has really helped us to run various upgrade initiatives very quickly. Containerization has allowed us to separate the application layer away from the operating system and essentially away from the hardware itself. Allowing us to create private clouds with the use of virtualization has really given us flexibility and agility in how we host our data. So we spent a lot of work building a CI/CD pipeline with a focus always on security. We have automatic processes to detect sensitive data within our databases and make sure that we're applying the correct data scrubbing before provisioning to non-live environments. The successes were to allow us to have our data sets in one place. So from a governance perspective, it allows us to, with one view, we can see where all of our non-live environment is and prove to auditors that we're scrubbing data appropriate. Modern solutions have allowed us to be able to release iteratively and at a much faster pace. So rather than relying on big, heavy release cycles on a weekly or monthly basis, we're able to make substantial iterative change every day through the flexibility of our data platforms and the servers that they're hosted on. When we first deployed Delphix, we were able to increase our efficiency by 20% in terms of the number of releases we deployed. It's a key endeavour of all companies to make sure that we're performing in the most sustainable way as possible. Our bottom line success has been to not only be able to allow data to be closer to developers, being able to allow them to refresh quickly, but also to have a high availability for their non-live environments, which means that we're not an inhibitor to the innovation coming from our developers. We're really able to concentrate efforts on delivery and improvements rather than focusing on technical debt.